that's where the turning point has come. The person who I was before and after having the session, I completely changed. Gitansh helped me in a lot of ways, and I would say that he's the best coach. Like, because of him, I kind of transformed into a very new person right now. Had the session with Gitansh, and really I started loving myself, and I kind of, I'm nurturing myself. I'm doing care and all everything. Do not doubt, do not hesitate. Just book a session with him. I would definitely recommend for this to everyone.
How did your life look like before the sessions with the coach?
So, my life back then, it used to be a different way. The first thing is like I used to not own the problems. I used to blame others for my problems or for their problems. It's like blame game. The second thing is like I kind of sometimes look down at the people to feel myself better because there are some low esteem issues which I had. So I used to just look down at the people. Third thing is like I used to be very emotionally reactive for everything, create some kind of a big thing which is not needed at that particular time. So everything looked like and fourth thing is like so many blockages I carried in such a way that my life seemed to be, it went on a autopilot mode where I didn't feel like what I'm doing currently, just scrolling on the Instagram reels, whatever it is. Like I don't know what I was doing. I don't know what am I at that particular time.
Okay, now the second question. How did your life look like during the sessions with the coach?
That's where the turning point has come. The person who I was before and after having the session, I completely changed and say that I am a different person right now. So I had things clarified within me, like because I was not having the awareness within me, so I was doing all sort of things. Once the awareness started increasing, what happened is like I started being emotionally regulated. Now I know what are the things which I need to focus on. It's more like a clarity, and all the emotional blockages has been gone. And sometimes we don't even know there were so many suppressed things within you subconsciously, which you don't even know that you carried all the while from the childhood. So that also got released unknowingly. Somehow it happened magically, I would say. And Gitansh helped me in a lot of ways. I used to, think that maybe if something good happens, then only I need to be happy or something like that. But that's not the case. You can be happy whenever you want. You don't need to restrict yourself to be happy. So he taught me a lot of things, and I would say that he's the best coach. Like because of him, I kind of transformed into a very new person right now. So, and also my awareness also, it started increasing. Right now, whenever I look into a thing or anything, I kind of pause and think why. If I'm craving for something, I kind of pause and ask the question within me that what is it is craving me. So all these things like awareness has increased drastically, I would say that. And also my energy levels got increased. I look more physically active, and when you don't have those emotional things within you, you automatically feel very happy, blessed, and all these things. Yeah, this thing happened with me magically. Thank you, Gitansh, for that.
So how did your life look like after the sessions with the coach?
So once I had the session with Gitansh, and the thing what I do is like I reflect on the things what he said. I kind of see myself, okay, these are the things. He kind of tells you in a beautiful way that these are the things you need to look into and all. Then later, a kind of relationship established. Before even looking into a relationship outside somewhere, first you need to establish a relationship within you. So that thing happened magically. I started loving myself, and I kind of, I'm nurturing myself. I'm doing care and all everything. So things look in a very different way after the sessions, I would say that. It kind of definitely improved. Thank you.
What message would you like to give to the people who are going to take sessions from Gitansh in future and are going through a similar problem as you faced?
Okay, if you come across his website, do not doubt, do not hesitate, just book a session with him. Sometimes what happens is like we have this tendency to doubt, like, oh, is this the right place, or is it something like some kind of thing which is happening to us? But no, do not hesitate. Please kindly book, and your things will get sorted immediately. I would definitely recommend for this to everyone. And it's not just for the persons who has problems or anything. Anyone, like I would say, without awareness, your life is something like monotonous, and you don't even know what you're doing. With awareness, the life makes more sense and more meaningful. I think everybody should have this kind of sessions. Thank you.